Hey guys, this is Cindy with SeekOptics.com, and today we're going to show you how to replace the lenses on your Oakley Holbrooks. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and turn your frame around, like if you're going to put it on. Once you've done that, go ahead and locate the top portion and the bottom portion of your frame. And what you're going to want to do is on these sections here, you're going to want to pull out slightly. And as you're pulling out, you're going to push the lens forward to unseat it. Let's give it a try. And you should hear that popping sound. Once you hear that, don't be alarmed. It's completely normal. It's just the lens unseating itself from the frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate top and bottom portions and push the lens forward till you hear that pop. Perfect. Now to install your new Seek Optic lenses, go ahead and turn the frame around again. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to locate these grooves inside the frame. You're going to want to line up the lens with those grooves and push forward. And you should hear that popping sound again. Once you've done that, go ahead and run your thumbs along the edges of the lens just to make sure that it's seated in correctly. We're going to do the same thing to this side. Locate your grooves, line up your lens, and push forward till you hear that pop. Perfect. Now run your thumbs along the edges. And you're good to go. Once you've installed your new Seek Optic lenses, we would love to see how you've customized your look to fit your everyday needs. So go ahead and post a picture to Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with the hashtag SeekOptics. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more updates and content. And of course, if you have any further questions about the installation, your frames, or the lenses, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email to info@seekoptics.com.